those of you who bought my ebooks, I want to say a big thank you, and I truly appreciate your support. Now, some of you mentioned that you prefer to have hard copies because you're old school, and I can really understand that. But I'm here to tell you that you could actually get it printed very easily, like I did. I just emailed the PDF file to my printer, and they got it done the next day. So, in fact, there's a lot of printing websites on the internet that you could also get it done, and they'll just mail it to you. Okay, now this is briefly, I made a printed a full colored one. If you print it in black and white, it will be cheaper. I got it done, the same thing for my cake recipes, okay? And again, it's also in full color. Now, it's nothing fancy, but it does serve its purpose, okay? Now, let me show you a close-up inside briefly on the content and how it looks, okay? There's a total of 73 recipes, 61 are non-vegan and 12 are vegan recipes. I've also included some important tips and tutorial so you have better understanding about the ingredients, the do's and don'ts, so you will have better baking success. Now each recipe lists the ingredients, the directions, as well as the nutrition information. Now these bread recipes, they include loaves, rolls, you find buns and bagels, as well as focaccia and panettone, and they come in yeast and non-yeast versions. Now this is my cake recipe book. It has 83 very easy to bake recipes. Now I also share some important tips and tutorial here so you understand better about the ingredients as well as the do's and don'ts, so you have better baking success. I also share the formula on how you can sub the flours and also how you can make it dairy free. Now these recipes only require a bowl and spatula to make, no tools required unless absolutely necessary. Now, as an idea, you could print my ebook out like this and get it wrapped nicely and give it away as gifts for any special occasion or even Christmas presents. Okay. Now, I will leave a link below to purchase via payhip.com. You can print this in A4 or you can print it out in 8.5 by 11 inch. Okay. Now recently my book, particularly this one, is available via amazon.com, and it's available in Kindle, which is a digital format. It's available in paperbacks and hardcover as well. I've actually ordered my author books, author copy, so when I receive it I'll share with you how it looks, how the book looks, okay? Now, meanwhile, I'm working to list my other book, which is the cake recipes. So, we will have both listed at Amazon soon. Okay. Now, if you're interested to buy via Amazon, I'll also leave the link below. Alright. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.